Are you tired of tossing and turning every night? Struggling to find that elusive restful sleep can be incredibly frustrating. You might find yourself staring at the ceiling, counting sheep, or watching the hours tick by on your alarm clock. But what if the secret to a good night's sleep lies in what you eat? It's time to snack your way to better sleep. Yes, you heard that right. The right evening snacks can make a world of difference. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips or a sugary treat, consider healthier options that can actually promote sleep. Sleep is like the ultimate life hack, and your diet plays a huge role. A balanced diet not only keeps you healthy, but also ensures that your body gets the nutrients it needs to regulate sleep patterns. Think of your diet as the foundation of a good night's rest. First up, try some cherries. They're packed with melatonin, the hormone that helps you snooze. Melatonin is naturally produced by your body, but sometimes it needs a little boost. Cherries, especially tart cherries, are one of the few natural sources of this sleep-inducing hormone. Next, grab a handful of almonds. These nuts are rich in magnesium, which can relax those tired muscles. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation and sleep regulation. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to restless nights and poor sleep quality. And don't forget about bananas. They boost serotonin and magnesium, both sleep superheroes. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate sleep and mood, while magnesium helps maintain healthy levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation. Avoid caffeine, especially after lunch. It can stay in your system longer than you think. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Even if you don't feel its effects immediately, it can still disrupt your sleep later in the night. Instead, sip on some chamomile tea. It's like a cozy blanket in a cup. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for insomnia and anxiety. Its calming effects can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Finally, a little honey in your evening yogurt can help produce melatonin. Honey contains glucose, which can help lower levels of orexin, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel more alert. By reducing orexin, honey can help you feel more relaxed and ready for sleep. Sweet dreams start in the kitchen, so give these tips a try and sleep like a baby. Remember, a few small changes to your diet can lead to big improvements in your sleep quality. So next time you're struggling to fall asleep, head to the kitchen and reach for one of these sleep-friendly snacks. Your body and mind will thank you.